Look at this.
I'm gonna do Discord on my phone so I can show my camera.
Yeah, sure. Here. That's crazy. That is insane. Look at this, guys. Rossetti on the Wii U. And look at this. We got the Sound of Death on here. This is crazy. This is insane. I have never had this happen to me before. I want to see how loud this is. Wow. The Sound of Death. I cannot believe that. I got the Sound of Death on there, and then I got the Rossetti on here. This is crazy. I have never had this before. Never. Look at this. So basically everybody else gets this, which was me. And then basically the Sound of Death is right there. This is crazy. Here, I'm gonna...
It happened to me too.
Here.
Not the Sound of Death, it's just the blue screen.
Here, do you still have it on? This thing's not powering off. The thing's not powering off. It's not powering off.
Unplug it.
Wow. I got it.
I'm gonna see if it's not frozen by pressing the A button.
It's not. You're right. I want to see if mine's not either. That's crazy, isn't it? Is mine frozen?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Mine's not frozen. That was crazy. Wasn't it, R-Man? Isn't that dope, though?
Crazy.
That's dope, right? I've never had that before. Like, I've always got either, like, one or the other, you know? I've never had both before. That's so cool.
Man, I wanted tones coming out of my console.
Wait, what happened? It's normal on here too, though. I got Rover on here as well. Everything works fine on the Wii U. Just the Wii got frozen. That's so cool. That was great. Do you want to go to your town now?